find a quiet and comfortable space where you can fully immerse yourself in this meditation. Choose a position that feels supportive for your body, whether it's sitting on a cushion, lying down on a soft surface, or finding any other posture that allows you to relax deeply. Take a moment to adjust your position, ensuring that you feel completely at ease. Once you've found your comfortable position, gently close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs with fresh air. As you exhale, release any tension you may be holding in your body, allowing yourself to sink deeper into relaxation. With each breath, allow your body to soften and your mind to quieten. Feel the weight of your body sinking into the support beneath you, grounding you in the present moment. Now, bring your attention to your breath. The rhythmic rise and fall of your chest. The sensation of air passing in and out of your nostrils. Notice how your breath flows effortlessly, like the gentle ebb and flow of the tide. As you continue to breathe deeply and consciously, allow yourself to let go of any thoughts or distractions. Simply focus on the sensation of your breath, allowing it to anchor you in the here and now. With each inhale, imagine yourself drawing in relaxation and peace. And with each exhale, imagine releasing any tension or stress that you may be carrying. Let your breath be your guide as you journey into a state of deep relaxation and inner peace. Continue to float among the clouds, allowing your senses to guide you deeper into a state of profound relaxation. Feel the soft, cool mist on your skin as you glide through the clouds, and let yourself be mesmerized by the ever-changing patterns and shapes that dance across the sky. Take a moment to connect with the energy of the clouds, feeling the serenity and tranquility that permeates this celestial realm. Allow yourself to be enveloped by the boundless beauty and peace of the sky, knowing that you are held and supported by the infinite expanse of the universe. Immersed in the ethereal embrace of the clouds, you may find yourself experiencing a delightful sensation of fluffiness enveloping your entire being. It's as if every particle of your body has been gently lifted and cushioned by the softness of the clouds, creating a feeling of weightlessness. that allows you to float effortlessly through the boundless expanse of the sky. With each breath, you surrender more deeply to this sensation, letting go of all tension and grounding concerns as you become one with the airy, weightless realm of the clouds. As you float among the clouds, take the time to reflect on the vastness of the cosmos and your place within it. Consider the interconnectedness of all living beings and the infinite possibilities that exist within the universe. Allow yourself to feel a sense of awe and wonder. At the majesty of creation, knowing that you are an integral part of this cosmic tapestry. With each breath, feel yourself becoming more deeply attuned to the rhythm of the universe, your own heartbeat echoing in harmony with the pulse of the cosmos. Allow yourself to be carried away on a journey of self-discovery and inner exploration, letting go of any preconceived notions or limitations that may be holding you back. Take a few moments to simply be, allowing yourself to exist in this moment without any need for words or thoughts. Let go of any mental chatter and surrender to the profound stillness that surrounds you. Know that you are always connected to the infinite wisdom and love of the universe, and that you are worthy of all the blessings it has to offer. When you feel ready, slowly begin to bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes, gently awakening your body from its relaxed state. Take a few deep breaths, gradually returning to a state of alertness and clarity. As you open your eyes, take a moment to appreciate the beauty and tranquility of the sky that surrounds you. Carry the peace and serenity of this celestial realm with you as you go about your day, knowing that you are always connected to the boundless love and wisdom of the universe. May you find solace and inspiration in the embrace of the clouds, and may their spirit guide you on your journey.